Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on cultivating a growth mindset. In today's rapidly changing world, having a growth mindset is essential for personal and professional development. It's about embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, and believing in the power of continuous learning and improvement. Step 1. Understanding the importance of a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset is foundational to personal and professional development. It goes beyond the notion of fixed abilities, emphasizing the belief that skills and intelligence can be nurtured and expanded through dedication and effort. Individuals with a growth mindset perceive challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. They approach tasks with a sense of curiosity and resilience, embracing the process of learning and improvement. By understanding the importance of a growth mindset, individuals can unlock their potential and achieve greater success in various areas of life. It fosters a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation, enabling individuals to thrive in dynamic and ever-changing environments. Moreover, a growth mindset encourages individuals to persevere in the face of setbacks, viewing failures as valuable learning experiences rather than indicators of incompetence. In essence, cultivating a growth mindset empowers individuals to take ownership of their development and pursue their goals with confidence and determination. It lays the groundwork for resilience, adaptability, and lifelong learning, paving the way for personal and professional fulfillment. Through a commitment to growth and self-improvement, individuals can unlock new opportunities and realize their full potential. Step 2. Embracing challenges and learning opportunities. Embracing challenges and learning opportunities is fundamental to fostering a growth mindset. Instead of shying away from difficulties, individuals with a growth mindset see them as chances to learn and grow. They welcome challenges as opportunities to stretch their abilities and expand their knowledge. By embracing challenges with enthusiasm and determination, individuals develop resilience and confidence in their ability to overcome obstacles. Each challenge becomes a stepping stone toward personal and professional growth, fueling a continuous cycle of learning and improvement. Step 3. Setting and achieving personal goals. Setting and achieving personal goals is another key aspect of cultivating a growth mindset. Individuals with a growth mindset set ambitious yet attainable goals and work diligently towards achieving them. They understand that progress takes time and effort, and they're willing to put in the work to make their dreams a reality. Step 4. Positive self-talk and affirmations. Nurturing positive self-talk and affirmations is a cornerstone of developing a growth mindset. It involves consciously challenging negative self-talk and replacing it with empowering and uplifting thoughts. By recognizing and reframing self-limiting beliefs, individuals can foster a more optimistic and resilient mindset. Affirmations play a crucial role in this process, serving as powerful statements that reinforce one's strengths, capabilities, and potential for growth. Through consistent practice, individuals can train their minds to focus on possibilities rather than limitations, fostering a mindset that is conducive to personal development and success. Step 5. Embracing personal growth and resilience. Personal growth and resilience are fundamental aspects of a growth mindset. Individuals with a growth mindset view setbacks and failures as opportunities for learning and growth. They bounce back from adversity stronger and more determined, using challenges as fuel for their personal and professional development. Step 6. Nurturing supportive relationships and boundaries. Nurturing supportive relationships and boundaries is essential for cultivating a growth mindset. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive individuals who encourage and uplift you can help reinforce your belief in your abilities and potential. Additionally, establishing healthy boundaries ensures that you're able to prioritize your growth and well-being. Conclusion: cultivating a growth mindset is a lifelong journey that requires dedication, resilience, and self-awareness. By embracing challenges, setting ambitious goals, cultivating positive self-talk, and nurturing supportive relationships, individuals can unlock their full potential and achieve success in all aspects of their lives. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and growth mindset. Share your experiences with cultivating a growth mindset in the comments below. And remember, with practice and dedication, you can develop a growth mindset and achieve your goals. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips from us and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.